Okay.
I think they have all your favorites. Uh-huh. Look at it, another gift.
Put your phone on the side.
This way?
Yeah. Oh.
Turn your phone sideways.
Okay. I'll put it regular. You got a printer? Yes, I got a printer. Okay. Thank you.
You need to set it up.
Open it up.
Where's
Let's
your
see it.
computer? Set it up to your computer.
You can scan your photos now.
What can they know? Oh, my chips. Oh, you got more chips? Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh. Joey's dying right now. What's this time? I need like scissors. No, maybe this top. Right here. Right here. Open it there. Yeah. Oh. No. Okay. No, wait. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh my God. I think you got more chips. Another box. Oh, Joey's like, don't forget the chips.
Got a bed full of chips.
Okay.
Another box.
Oh, I love this.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
More chips. Oh.
Ah.
You can plug it to your TV.
Yeah.
That box is a tough one.
Yeah, this box is tough.
Hold the camera while I just wait this for you.
You gotta shake it.
I think there's Doritos in there.
Okay. Doritos.
Don't open it until.
No. I'm not gonna. It's the. Okay, no. I just wait something. Oh, look at this! Are there more potato chips? Dragon's asking.
Imagine the last box is just more potatoes.
Pandora? Wow. Oh my God! Oh, this is so pretty! Oh my God! Is that a snowflake? It's a little like flower! Oh, I love it! Oh my God, thank you so much! Thank you!
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, so
That
it's a charm
cool.
bracelet, so you could add charms to it. You could switch them on and off and all that stuff. So
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
The abominable snowman is leaving now with his blanket.
Yep.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, perfect. Oh, it looks so nice.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think
She's
it.
been dying for one of these. Now she can start her collection of charms.
Yep.
Let me see the class. Oh, that's beautiful. No, this is the class right here.
Yeah,
That's
the
gorgeous.
butterfly is the clasp, and then those two round things are like the things that keep the charms in the back.
The holders.
Yeah, and
I
then
love it.
you could always add charms to it or whatever. So
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
All
Thank you.
All right.
Look the fact that I was thinking of it.
You did-
And all the potato chips are just a bonus.
that's right.
the real gift.
I
That was the
figured,
real gift.
I figured she work up an appetite opening all those boxes. So, you know,
She sure did.
yeah.